Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we'll explore one of the most fundamental questions in JavaScript interviews, okay? It is one of the most searched interview questions over the internet. The difference between double equals and, for instance, like triple equals, okay? These are the two operators. So, what exactly is the difference between double equals and triple equals in JavaScript? As its core, double equal is the equality operator, while triple equals is the strict equality operator, okay? Double equal performs typecasting, meaning it tries to convert the operands to the same type before making the comparison, okay? Whereas triple equals checks strictly for equality, meaning it compares both the values and data types without any type conversion. Both operators have their own use cases. Double equals can be useful when you want to perform loose comparisons, while triple equals is essential for strict and precise comparisons. During a front-end interview, you might be asked to explain the differences between double equals and triple equals in JavaScript. Be sure to mention the typecasting aspect and provide practical examples to illustrate your point, okay? Now, to write reliable and bug-free code, it's often recommended to use triple equals for strict comparisons and avoid double equals unless you have a specific reason for typecasting, okay? Alright, so now let's see it from the coding perspective, okay? So I have two variables, one is x equals the number 5 and y equals the string 5, okay? So now I have checked it with this thing like x equals y, okay? If this condition true, so I'll get x is equal to y using double equals, okay? Or else I'll get this thing, okay? Similarly, if this thing is true, I'll get this like is strictly equal to y using triple equals and not strictly equal to y using triple equals, okay? So now what will happen? As I mentioned before, double equal operator, what it does, it checks the equality of both the operators first by bringing both of them to the same point, like to the same data type. For instance, it will first convert the string into number and then it will check for the equality, okay? So whatever data type is, if the value is like the same, it would be same, okay? So that's why it's recommended to use triple equals because it is not the recommended method. So if I just run this thing and if I just comment this thing out, if I just run this, so this line will be executed like x is equal to y using double equals, okay? You can see right over here because this thing is true. This 5, this number 5 and string 5, they both are equal, okay? So now if I just comment this thing out and try to run this thing. So now what will happen? X triple equals y. So in this case, it checks both the data types, okay? First, it will check whether it is like the data type is number and this is string, okay? So it does not convert the data types, so it will check as it is. That's why it's called strictly equal, okay? So if I run this thing, so now it will actually console log this thing, like it's not equal. So if I just make this thing 5, now it would be same, 5.2, so it would not be equal, okay? You can see right over here. So let's try to give you an example from array to highlight an important point, okay? So, I have two arrays like array 1 and array 2, both are like identical. You can see right over here, okay? If array 1 equals array 2, so this should happen, okay? And if array 1 equals like triple equals array 2, so if it's true, that this should actually happen, okay? So now, surprisingly, you cannot compare arrays with double equals or triple equals. If I run this thing, it would say like arrays are not equal using double equals and not strictly equal using triple equals. Why is it so? Because JavaScript considers the two arrays as different objects, even if their content are same, okay? So I hope you got this point. So this could be an important question as well. The interview might ask you about the arrays. So you should be careful and you should actually know about the arrays concept in double equals and triple equals, okay? In conclusion, understanding the difference between double equals and triple equals is crucial for any front-end developer, okay? It can help you avoid tricky bugs and write more reliable code. Practice and experiment with both operators to grasp their differences fully. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall catch you up in the next one. Till then, have a good day. Bye.